Карал баничката. На скаричката се облегна в една бабанка. Слага парашолите и гледаш долу страни на него чашката.
So we're in the middle of nowhere. Going to explore this mine. Maybe there's something interesting, hopefully, but yeah. And near the mine there is an abandoned mining village, so 2 for 1. No signal, no nothing. We have some food, some drinks. Let's hope we come back alive, right? Yeah. This is the place. Looks shit. This is cool. Let's hopefully we can climb it. There is some kind of a entry to a mine. Like they're going there. It's cool for now, but still no signal, no nothing. No signs of people. But we went to another path and there was other buildings. And when we came back on the other side of the mountain, there was more buildings in this style. Let's hope it's something cool. This big thing. We went underneath, there was nothing interesting, but when I was climbing up, I saw a deer. It was running there. Every cool thing happened when we stopped filming. Yeah, that's cool. That's the tower if you see between the trees. We kind of missed the road for it, so maybe when we're going down. We saw these buildings behind the trees. But on the road up ahead, there is the abandoned village there. If we have time before it gets dark, we're going to go to see the village. On the map it's like a couple of like houses and shit, nothing, no roads or anything, it's just a couple of houses in the wild, in the mountain. Yeah, it's pretty chill. We saw a couple other animals. I heard something. Here's the thing. Can you see it? Yeah, probably. Okay, then. А той има хранилки, бе? Да, ето е там, виж дясно.
Една хранилка, защото ги плаши.
Там дясно.
Пили са вода на мене. Не, пили са пиели. Пили са вода на мене.
Може би го отварят.
Да идиш да го отвориш, брат.
Ма е скоро построено, вижте те. Видите металното още. Новички. Да. Не, виж долу. Да. Тече вода тук. О, влизаме. Това са го цементирали. That's big, huh? And now we find the bear. Ain't no running nowhere. Oh shit! Това сте отровните, бе, пичове.
Стигна, не го искам. Защото сега ще ме гърда. Аз тук на съда няма и две къски.
Ой, той се обърна към нас, бе.
Аз съм по... Не го светя. Добре, че идват на...
So we should watch out for geckos. Nah, boys. Nah.
Много, да.
Yeah.
Иди нищо тук е.
Nah, brother.
Чуеш нещо, да го събудим?
Айде си ходим. Let's get back. Сърните?
Трябва да има някакви локва да го видим тук, да тук на креса.
Да.
Някакъв рък отваря
So in the mine, it was scary. Maybe sometime we saw some poisonous lizards. So I don't know, it was an open mine or a tunnel, I don't know what is it. But probably there was some animal deep inside. But here is the village.
Там има някакво село, бе.
Аз следвам ли чувам какво говоря? Тук ли е това?
Дето я знам, може да се фокусирал в играта.
Добре.
Има ли нещо?
Ми къща, брат. Има икона.
Яко долу има легла.
И тук е.
Къде бе?
Тук. Probably because there was a lot of goats here. So we are going to head back, but before we head back we're going to check two things. One is the tower that we saw on the way in on the mine, and near the road where we came there was like a school or a big building with something going inside the mountain. So yeah, very beautiful. Would come back again. Would be a nice place for camping.
Там е така изката с планини само. И трябва да правим равновесие.
А, вярно, това не отива напред надолу.
Да.
Той трябва да мога навътре и да върши нещо, да слиза надолу.
Сега бутиш тази скала, пада долу.
Бам! Това ще е скандално някакво.
Вече много готино, мога да снимам на слоумо.
Ба, не, тя ще падне и ти тогава, да не звъна.
Чакай, чакай!
Това е много страшно.
We're under this crane thing. It's very beautiful, but destroyed. and it's wobbly. We can try to climb it, but I think it's not safe. They're bend. Look at this. We couldn't go to the school or anything, but it was fun journey. Maybe sometimes again to see the tunnel, what has to offer. We don't have much time, the sun is setting, but someday we'll be back here.